Today we're going to show you how to dismantle a radio control car. Are you ready, Ethan?
Yep.
So before we begin, do you want to take a guess how many screws there are in a remote control car like this? You don't want to guess?
No.
Alright. Take a quick guess.
Maybe 10.
Maybe 10 screws? You reckon?
Yep.
Alright, so we've got some standard bits of hardware here, some tools.
Yeah.
And we're going to get cracking straight into it. So let's have a look here.
Yeah.
What do you reckon the first set of screws that we need to do are these little flaps? So can you get me, let's see, we'll take this screwdriver over here, see if that one works. No, too small. Get a bigger one. Do you want to take this out of there for me?
Yeah. So it takes a lot of hard work.
Yeah, that's the right one, I think. And have you ever tried doing this before?
No.
Never?
No. Have you guys opened up a remote control car?
Whoops, that one's
Comment
still.
down below.
There we go. We'll just
In the
line up all
comments.
the screws that we find over there. So we've got these ones off. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, found the batteries.
Ah.
Alright, let's try and do the wheels.
Okay.
Do you want to try finishing those wheels?
Of course.
Other way, other way. There you
Okay.
go. There you go. Screws and the wheel came off. There you go. Put the wheel at the top there, please. Oh, there's some lights in there. Do you want to cut those lights off?
Yeah.
I mean the wires. Cut. And the other one.
That wheel was pretty weird.
Alright, let's try the other side. I think there's only one more screw in here, Ethan. Should we try and get it out?
Yeah.
And we're almost done.
Yeah, and then we're done. And
think
then
so?
we're out. We're just breaking the supply.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 screws. Bye. Bye. Seriously. Bye. See you next time.